In today's video, we'll present our SH27 gas heater with a power output of 3.9 kilowatts. Our product range also includes models with power from 3.9 to 8 kilowatts. The heaters can be powered by natural gas or propane-butane gas from a cylinder, also known as LPG. The unit is very economical. Its efficiency is 96%, which has been confirmed by a test report for the CE certification. We'll now show how we installed the heater in our container, which serves as a showroom for heaters and gas-powered warmers and radiators. The SH model features a sealed combustion chamber. Air for combustion is drawn from the outside, and the exhaust gases are also discharged outside. The set includes a coaxial pipe with a diameter of 8 centimeters. The heater is equipped with an axial fan that distributes warm air throughout the room. We began the installation by drilling an opening in the container wall for the exhaust outlet and combustion air intake with a diameter of 8 centimeters. Next, we mounted the fixing elements to the wall. Then we installed the double pipe for exhaust and air intake. The set includes special clips to help center the exhaust pipe. The exhaust outlet was mounted on the outer wall. We then mounted the heater to the wall. It's important to properly separate the previously connected components. We assembled the side cover, which includes the control panel. We then mounted it and connected the panel. With the installation complete, thank you for your attention. Next, after turning on the gas cylinder, we checked the system for leaks. We plugged in the heater and turned it on using the switch. The current room temperature appears on the display. We set the desired temperature. The heater consumes a maximum of 0.3 kilograms of gas per hour. This means that one 11-kilogram gas cylinder will last for approximately 36 hours of operation. The unit also features an eco mode, in which the burner power drops to 30% of its maximum. You can also program the heater's operation. A separate video contains detailed instructions on how to set the thermostat. Thank you very much for watching.